Okay, ma'am. Hi, hello. How have you been? No, see, long time.
Yes, first of all, very good afternoon. Yes, I am very well. And what about you?
I am fantastic. Thank you for asking me.
Yes. So after a long time, we are meeting again.
Yeah, madam.
Okay. So
Okay.
the practice going on.
Yeah, my practice going on good. Nowadays, I practice one or two people each and every day.
Okay.
Going on good. And how is your preparation going on? How is your practice going on nowadays?
Yes, because today I was full busy because I had a lot of sessions. Like 9:30 till now, I was taking sessions.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
Okay,
now
okay.
little bit tired, but because today you have time now, so I thought that yes, I means I have no another work, so I thought that yes, I should practice with you.
Okay, are you taking conversation with co-learners or others? Like that, do you have any platform?
No, only this platform. Sometimes people mail me also, so I make conversation with them. Sometimes I contact them is through text on through this application also. Yeah.
Okay, it is good. How is your life going on nowadays?
Yeah, my life is going on good, and nowadays I am a little bit busy because in the coming the next month there is wedding in my family, so I am busy.
Yeah. Okay, what do you do? Your free time? Okay, you at present your busy schedule whole day.
Yeah, full day busy
Mm,
because my schedule is busy from morning 5 to night 12 o'clock.
my God, morning 5 to till 12 o'clock
Yeah.
at night. Oh
Uh,
my God.
No, in afternoon I take rest for 1 hour. In that 1 hour, I don't get disturbed with anyone.
Goodness, I am very fortunate person. You give me this time and attend in the time. Okay.
No, no, I also practice this, so this is also benefit of me. And even I also
Yeah.
see because you have a very experienced person and your speaking way is very nice.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay. To be frank, I am a beginner. I'm not good at English because of I don't have any environment, any English friends. If and even though I can speak a little bit good English.
Okay.
Okay, there is no problem.
But I think the same problem with everyone, not
Yeah.
only with you. Because of that, every person is on this application.
Yeah, we are all learners. We are
Yeah.
not experts on this platform. Okay, now
I thought that I feel like all are the family members in one.
yeah, exactly.
Yes,
Exactly. In our group, no, let's meet up. That 40, maybe 40 or 43 participants are there. We all are family members.
yes,
I treat each and every person, okay, he is my friend, he is my brother, he is my sister, like that.
yeah,
Yeah, I wanna speak with the strangers. It is my hobby. I
yes,
wanna speak with the strangers. I will get more and more conversation. I
yes.
will clarify my doubts. That's why.
Yeah, because of the God grace, we get this platform, and
Yeah.
people are from different state and sometimes different countries, but we are here together and convey our thoughts and share our feelings with all. So it's very good thing.
Yeah, exactly. You mentioned already. Okay, it is good. 1 month ago, I didn't know this type of platform. Okay, last 1 month onwards, I am using this type of platform. It is very beneficial to me personally because of, okay, I was born and raised in Karnataka. In Karnataka, people can speak native language. Rather than English, it is a very difficult task.
Yeah.
Nowadays, I am able to speak little bit English and enhance my skill and brush up my knowledge in front of video call.
Yes.
Yeah. At
So do
present,
you have
I am.
any,
Yeah, at
Sorry.
present I am over the moon, like that.
Yes, correct. So do you have any topic to discuss?
Yeah, okay. Which topic would you like? You can say. Okay, I can switch into. I can add your okay topic. There is no problem. Which topic would you like?
Please raise the topic because now I have no any topic. I have topic,
Uh,
but but that are very old topics, so I don't want to
uh,
repeat same topic. Yeah,
okay. Do you know anything about artificial intelligence or chat GPT?
yeah, I have
Or
knowledge, but not that much. So I give my view, whatever knowledge I have, and yes,
okay, there is no problem. Okay, I am not fond of artificial intelligence. Sorry, chat GPT. I am also. I knew few things only. You can share
yes.
your points. Okay, I will share my points soon after
Okay.
your turn.
So I think for me, even I also use sometimes. It is very helpful. We can get our answer at any topic very soon,
Yes.
and we should not go for Google and search different topic. We can just type what is our question, and they provide all the answers. Even suppose sometimes when we did not understand that language, so when we ask the question, same question in the simple way, so it also provide.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly. Today morning I used Start on GPT. It is a very amazing application. It is
yeah.
my personal opinion because of I didn't get that application till now. But today morning I watched one video on YouTube.
Hmm.
That lady suggested to me, okay, you can use Chat GPT. It is a very huge source. You can gain any knowledge, any topic. You can put on only type. Okay, I want this topic. Okay, can you
Yeah,
elaborate? Like that. After that, you will take answer. It abundance. After that, I
yeah,
use some related question in my bucket list. So many questions waiting for me. Like that, I texted on like that. What is the use of semi-model auxiliaries? Okay,
mm,
that chat GPT gave us to me a abundance of knowledge. Ought to, need to, have to, has to, like that.
yeah,
Want to, wants to. It is
yeah.
amazing application. Okay, at present 21st century is going on, but we are all connected to chat GPT, AI, and artificial intelligence, and machine learning. This type of advanced technology you can use. You will gain more knowledge day by day.
Yes. And one thing I heard, you just check out this. They also provide the, suppose if you write the your views and want to know that this is correct sentence or not. So there is also I Chat GTP also provide a, like app that is stimulator. Have you heard about this?
Okay. No, no. Okay. At present, I download that application only today morning. I didn't know anything about chat GPT because of
Okay,
I downloaded today morning. No, maybe 8 to 9 o'clock.
okay.
I don't awareness of chat GPT more. Okay, I will
Mm-hmm.
learn today onwards.
Okay. You just even I also not tried for that for this, but yes, I think that this is very good because some person shared me this about this app. He told that if you type something wrong, no, so he will also correct you the correct sentence.
Oh, okay. We are all lucky. It is
Yeah,
that application gives you can use advanced technology, um, advance of fancy words, advanced vocabulary.
yeah.
After that, your life will be go. Your life will be attractive. Your life will be changed within a couple of months, couple of days. It's good.
This application is very helpful because we can find out any answer after typing our question there. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Till today date, I didn't know awareness of this type of advanced technology. I know little bit AI and ML. I know ChatGPT, but I am not fond of using ChatGPT. But today morning I download, I search so many things on that platform. That ChatGPT give us to me. It is abundance knowledge.
Yeah.
I like I like too much using ChatGPT, that type of stuff.
Yes, yes. It is very helpful, but nowadays people have mentality like after coming Chat GPT means there is a chances of uh, many person can lose their job because of this. But it's my personal opinion. No, it's not like that. It is very helpful. It will help in every field. Even you can get more advanced in your work, in your skill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Technology is best, but you don't. You always depend on technology. It is bad
Yes.
because if you want, you can go and you can search it. There is no problem. You always depend on technology. No, it is too much bad.
Yes.
Okay, suppose okay, ChatGPT application crash one day. What will you do next day? It is very
Yes.
tough. You can depend. Sometimes only 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If it is required, you can use. There is no problem. You don't fully depend on any application, any advanced technology, and any other person. Is very horrible.
Yes. Yes. You are correct because suppose if we depend totally on them, so if as you told, if it will damage in future, so what we will do at that time? Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, all are man-made machine like that computer, chat GPT. It is robotics, artificial intelligence. It is all man-made machine. Okay, if and even though man is fail in front of chat GPT computers because of
Yes.
man doesn't think like that. Advanced technology, advanced.
Yes.
Nowadays, all learners become lazy
Yes.
using advanced technology, using advanced features.
Yes.
That's why.
Yeah, this we can be like, lazy. Suppose we always started to totally depend on Chat GTP, so we will not find our answer with ourselves only.
Yeah,
So because we can say like our brain become it will if suppose something when we not used for a long time. So what is called in junk lag jata hai. English में what will say?
stuck. Your mind will stuck.
Yes. So it
Your
will be
your mind not working properly that moment.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, you know one thing. Okay, social media advanced technology is good, but when was I studying graduation? That time I used to scrolling on Instagram, Facebook each and every time. But one day I realized, okay, it is not good to me because of I concentrate more and more scrolling on Instagram, Facebook. Okay, suppose I will fail in future exam. Maybe 1 month or after 2 months, my exam is going on. But after okay, one day I decided, okay, I don't want to use this type of social media, Instagram, Facebook. That day I deleted, I uninstalled that two application in my cell phone. After that, I am quite happy nowadays. I use only WhatsApp. It is the only transportation message, one person to
Mhm.
another person. Only
Yes.
learning purpose. I don't want to use WhatsApp in each and every time. I don't like it. I
Yes.
use any social media platform to enhance my knowledge, to upgrade myself each and every day. I use that type of stuff. There is no use. It is a use, but you can stick on to only see social media. You can scrolling each and every time. Necessary thing. It is your time is
Yes.
waste.
What happened when we suppose when we use more social media platform? So what happens? Suppose when you search one question for your answer. So when you get the lots of answer for one same question, so you also just download all the answers but you never read anyone.
You become confused. Okay, this one
Yes,
is correct, that one is correct. Which one is correct? Okay, after become you become lazy full. Okay, I don't
yes,
want these stuffs. Okay, you can stick on only one formula, only one stick, because
yes,
of it is your clarify is more. You stick on different stuffs, different teachers. After that, you become little bit confusion. You will start
yes,
your confusion. Okay, this one is correct, that one is correct. Which one can I use instead
yes,
of like that words sentence formation? You
yes.
can stick on only one stuff. It is good.
Yes, at the same time, when we download all the answers, and in our mind, like we have all the answers, and we become free. We do not, go through all, because in our mind, all answers we have, and we will study later. In this way, we can just leave that.
Yeah, exactly. You can learn a small thing or a little bit. It is good. Okay, you
Yes,
can learn use abundance knowledge, but after that you don't know anything about what is the use. There is no use. You can
because
learn one sentence. You can learn one sentence, two sentences in a day. It is good. You can learn by like what is called in I don't know in
by
uh,
heart.
by at ratta marega. After that, there is no use. You can learn,
Yes,
analyze the situation, analyze the sentence. Oh, okay, this sentence is structure. It is used in pronoun. This sentence used in tenses, preposition, like that. Sometimes used in phrases, sometimes used in idioms. You can
yes,
analyze the sentence. You can use while you are speaking.
yes. Yes, you
Yeah.
are
Okay.
correct. Same, every person, I think many of the person have the same mentality. Even most of the, college student have the, means this habit. They download all the answers. Sometimes they take print out also, but they only just keep in our, keep with their books only. But they
Yeah.
never see it at all.
Yeah, okay. Do you know one thing? When had I been studying graduation, that time I studied only in my curriculum 5 models. Each and every subject 5 models is there, but each model 20 marks carries. But I studied only 3 to 4 model. I don't study five each all 5 models. I studied only
Mhm.
3 models. Okay, each model 20 marks. I get 60 marks. It is enough for me. Sometimes okay that okay I like to read mathematics. I'm
Mhm.
I am good at maths. I studied
Mhm.
all 5 models. I got 100 out of 100. Sometimes I got 90 plus. I like
Oh,
to read maths. I don't like to read English, science, other stuffs. That time,
okay.
okay, I read only 3 models or 4 models. It is enough for me.
Mhm.
Okay, you can learn a small thing. You can perfect that field. Okay, you
Yes,
can use knowledge. Okay, you can
yes.
learn more knowledge. You become confused.
Yes, and as you told, like we should not by heart. Yes, we can by heart some, like words, because it is necessary to by heart. But for if you miss by heart all your answers, so it is not good. You should only write what you understand, and you can
Yeah,
even write in your own words. You can use good words, but everything you should write in your own words.